Where are you? Good boy. Okay, basically just that cup. This cup is got cause a leaking.
I see.
Okay, you see the water just coming out.
Yep.
So just that piece has got cause a leak.
And just clean that part, and hopefully that will be fine, right? And also the back of the tubing, maybe.
Here you got a lot of things inside.
This is a
Steamer.
steamer, okay.
Have to wait for a while.
Ah, cable tied to the tricks.
Sometimes not working. This is quite far away, quite deep.
I see.
Have to get really deep one from here to the bottom. I don't have that. This is so long one.
Right. Oh, that's why you use a steamer.